Welcome everybody to another episode of MMP Video. This is Mimi. Most of you know me by now. And today I bring you a little video. Hope you enjoy it. We are at Grand Lake Park. By the way, for those that don't know, this is Oklahoma. And this is Nature Center. Got showers and bathrooms.
No, we don't have to do that.
Okay. Hi, Guy.
That's Bumper. I didn't even think about them both being wrong. You're right, sometimes they do sound.
You are so adorable. Yes, you are.
He much rather be outside.
Might be a little chilly.
Absolutely.
There's a crate on there.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, we're super fun.
So, this.
Well, that's what I was trying to see. Yeah, I mean, the sky was probably make it more even across there.
Found the beaver.
Wildlife of Grand Lake. And followed around by turtles.
Hello.
How are you guys doing today?
Doing fine, thanks. How are you?
You got it looking for anything specific?
Well, I am.
Okay, go right ahead. We have a different, that is a, what we call a flash die. And it's laminated and it's two-sided and has a different type of birds.
Yeah, do you know what it's like specific to like right around here? All the birds and trees out here.
All I have is Oklahoma bird lips, which is a black and white type
I was trying to get in.
Yeah, I haven't, I've tried to get our Audubon Society to do a little
Oklahoma, birds of Oklahoma.
more.
You have the little herring, the egret, the snowy egret, and the green heron.
This one is, it's color coded, and so if you see a bird that's,
More birds. Pelican, the double-crested cormorant, the gradwell, and the common moraine. Sure.
You have both eastern and western species that
Pecan.
So most ornithological type people that bird watch, we either carry one big giant book, or we carry, I don't teach my other ones out, we have either western species or eastern species.
Just so you don't freak out.
So those guys are going to.
he's a big boy. If he decides he wants your attention, he will come out and let you know.
Yeah.
He's
Right here, Michael. Those are what we've been seeing those comments on.
Yeah, and
He
that's, kind of
gets
display over there that
attention.
says,
He's like a cat.
that are in the area.
Where they want
That's
your
right.
attention when they want it, and then they want you to
Migratory
leave
birds
them alone.
and water.
Yeah.
This is a double crescent.
That's what he is.
There is. Right.
So the double-crested cormorant,
Hey, guys.
something out there, so when they're on the body of water, the surface of the water sets here, you can
Just say
barely
that.
see their backs break the surface, and then they've got that long neck sticking out.
Go for tortoise.
And they're divers, and they're pretty terrible
That's
fishermen.
Okay.
Florida area.
They're not liked by very many
This guy
people.
was
And they're definitely a bird that only a mama bird can love.
Well, when I first looked at him, I didn't think he was real till I touched him, and I was like, oh.
The fishermen don't always like him.
He's a pretty good guy.
Fish, they'll have gouge marks in them.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you've ever pulled a fish out,
I'm guessing that this one here is the one that's walking around.
more than likely it avoided being eaten by a
That's cool.
yeah,
Let them both out. He is fairly new
every animal has
to
its
the-
place.
to the nature center. Like I said, he was found walking around,
Well, they have to fight really hard because our
conservation
fisheries
department
if you get a
contacted her
they will just
Oh, okay.
because of him.
fisheries stop.
contacted her and said, hey, I want this.
Right.
And of course, there was all the documentation, all the paper, stuff that comes with him, and the fact that he is.
Oh, yes, that's,
Okay.
and then the pelicans and the gulls that we have.
So, but we can't let the two of them out together because they're both males.
But yes, we'll
He's
see.
right.
a guy, he's still young.
Oh, okay.
Yes, they remind me
So they
of
kind of butt heads.
somebody
Correct.
reported
And
to the law.
even though this one
They
outweighs
just
him,
have that head up above and then.
not near the years of experience
Right.
and knowledge.
Yeah, when
And
they're
that
sitting on
one
the
there
water, like I said,
likes
when
to
you see
flip
those
him.
sketchy
He'll
pictures
flip
of
Bumper
Loch Ness
over
Monster or whatever,
onto
you know
his
what I mean?
back.
And you'll just
And
barely
Bumper's
see
just
it back
laying
above
there
the
like
surface.
Right.
You'll
we
see
gotta
it's a
rescue
long
him.
neck and
So,
that is what the double-breasted cormorant
We
is.
try every now and then we put a band together and we watch them, but they still like the.
The other black bird that you'll see on the water right
It is
now
kind
is
of
a little
cool.
tinier and smaller and more round in
It is
shape
kind of cool
and sets
because
higher up on the water.
Their whole
And
idea
that
is
is
to
an
get their
American coot. You look
on
at
the
the
feather shell.
white feet,
before.
and that's another black bird that we have a lot of.
I say it's kind of like.
Those are what you guys have seen
robots
more.
with bots.
Especially the I think it's because they're you can kind of see some shimmering right here.
You're a little fat guy. Yeah, little fat rabbit. Fat rabbit.
Oh,
I think that Southern Red is good for this.
they actually come from the winter months and they go back to the north. And so that's why we only see them in the winter months, is because they go up to the desert and they end up breeding down on the place.
Are they feeding? Is that what they do when they all fly down there?
They are, it's a symbiotic relationship between the pelicans and the cormorants. They work together for the fish, school into salivary. So when it's here, they will literally move it from here and you will see the birds moving in the water across here, pushing into our little tiny birds along the shoreline. And then all of a sudden you'll see them all front. And then the wind will do it all over again. And they push those schools of fish and shad into the shallows. Yeah, and it's,
Bobwhite quail.
let me see if I can.
Kitty.
I have a video of them here. And as I'm walking as silently as I can before the leaves start, you could hear them breaking the surface of the water in a video from here. And I'm walking towards the shoreline, trying to videotape it, and they're just. I have seen backstrokes running through the walk and it stops it.
Yeah, we saw the
And they're territorial, so I was talking to them do that continually. This summer we had one, and we had 4. So there'll be one over here, one here, one over here, and one over here.
They stay in a small area.
And they space themselves, so if they start pushing towards each other, they'll fight. And the one that was in this area, when people were bringing their boats and tying off the shoreline, he would be fishing from their boats. So funny. I had lots of pictures because I thought it was comical. Did you guys see the ospreys come through?
No.
Ospreys are a migratory bird that come both in spring and fall, and they're amazing.
Oh, look at you, pretty little thing.
And then they'll tuck their wings and straight drive into the water. They're amazing. I can get it for one. Not surprising. Not snippy. Not, as soon as you did that, it's like, no. And it's also trap. It's not like a trap. They tend to trap the person down, and they will hide all and then they can just slide in.
In a little ball right there. There's a two right there.
Oh, with one, yeah, with the one that the corn right before you make it in there, I have seen things.
That is a speckled pink sticks.
They're coming down from water, so they're probably walk that, because our filters that come to this area actually.
Oh, aren't you pretty?
Over, so we have been in migratory quad that hadn't came through yet, or they were coming through a little bit further, and so they were sliding up high against all our water. Lots. They're all over. We're seeing pictures of them across the state. We're sure people have seen them. But I will tell you, I don't have that video. We have those. Vultures are easy to identify snakes. And that's literally the truth. It is when a vulture flies. Black vultures fly like a plane. And the turkey vultures fly like older planes with an upright stick. And it has silver lines. They fly like and they're solid black, whereas the turkey vultures have silver lines and they fly with their feet. We have both.
That's weird.
And I say, no, see it, because I'm not going to point out the monster where it all says. Yeah, right there's our monster. No, they just come in spring and fall. They're gorgeous, though. They're much more white. They are very nice as well, but.
And that's what it does.
Yeah, they, like I said, they tuck in their wings and just swoop right into the water. Gold eagles actually are, they eat everything. They'll even eat dead carrion off the roadsides, whereas the osprey is 100%.
We saw a bald eagle the other day that had a fish in its talons.
I've seen them with ducks.
With ducks? Wow.
Yes. And there's a couple of photographers in the area. They have posted videos of them hunting. Something real quick while we're talking about this, we do not have golden eagles here. We have juvenile bald eagles that look a lot like a golden.
Yeah, we saw one the other day.
Right, and it takes 5
That
years.
turns white, didn't it?
5 years before they turn white. If you've never gone down below the dam here in the next month or so, the bald eagle activity down below the dam is 100%. Yeah, if you go down below the dam to the golf course that's down there,
Oh, yeah.
there is, right before, when you cross over the Grand River, there is, on the other side, kind of in that little peninsula where.
Welcome to Bernice State Park.
Operations are.
Since the completion of Grand Lake the Cherokees in 1940, the lake region has become one of Oklahoma's most popular outdoor recreation destinations. Rand McNally declares this area as the third best retirement location within the U.S. This lake, which is 46,500 acres in size, was built by Grand River Dam Authority and the Works in Progress Administration. Grand Lake was primarily built for flood control and hydroelectric power. The GRDA, which is a state agency that operated solely from the revenues that it generates, continued to manage the reservoir for the benefit of the citizens of the state of Oklahoma. Unlike federally owned reservoirs in Oklahoma, at Grand Lake, private individuals can own lakeshore property. For this reason, state parks like Bernice serve as an important purpose to providing recreational facilities and public access to the lake.
Just type in contact us. I'll put that up for you, so you don't have to. You're welcome. You're very welcome. Don't ever hesitate to come in and ask questions, guys.
Well, it's been very informative.
I try. Yeah, if you guys go straight out that door, you'll see to your right there that itinerary of line drive community. So.
Okay.
Yeah, he's in that cage there, so you pass by there. Keep trying to tell him. He's not willing to. Not willing to fight, so I'm busy.
You too.
I turned up the heat. It was pretty cool this morning.
Aww.
That's Opal the opossum.
Look at you.
Because she is leucistic.
I've never seen a white possum before.
And has the wrong coloration. So, yeah, she's pretty unique.
No, okay.
Get headed. Can't touch it. Get the three-toed box turtle.
Three-toed box turtle.
I'm going to take you someplace you've never been before.
Huh?
I told you I'd take you someplace you've never been before.
That's it too.
I didn't know if they were going to be open.
So you make 10.
I gotta get the frog. Somewhere in here there's frogs. There's a froggy. That's a toad. That's a toad.
Kinda hard to see through the glass.
Huh?
I said it's kinda hard to see through the glass.
And one down there on the ground.
Tree frogs.
Froggy's under the dam. Yeah, it's kind of a wet environment. Probably the closest I'll ever be to one. That's alive, anyway. You sure are adorable. Yes, I see you running across the roads all the time. Those up there. Alrighty, everybody, there you go. You gotta walk through nature. Which I know some of you don't get to do. So, I'm Glad to be of service. Remember, like and subscribe. You guys have a great night. Hope to see you soon.